Welcome back to my channel, boys and girls, and good morning and good afternoon to everybody who's watching the video. It's me, Vijay Kevin, and you're watching How to Guide YouTube channel. And in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can log in into Step Banking. So for this, you need to download the app of Step Banking. So it's available in your Play Store or App Store. Download it, and after you download it, basically just follow the step which I'm going to be showing you. But before I show you the steps, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on so you guys can get notified for a future video. Now let's move on, shall we? So you open the app. Once you open the app, basically it's going to straight up ask you to sign up or like log in. So you just want to click on sign up or log in over here. Once you're over here, you want to enter the phone number. Once you enter your phone number, you just want to, click on next over here. After that, it's going to verify your phone number. By that, I mean it's going to send like a verification code to your phone number via SMS. You need to check that SMS and enter the code given to you. Once you enter the code over here, basically you're good to go. It's going to take you to another step. It's just logging into your, account. So that's basically how you guys can do it. But since this mobile number doesn't exist, which means I haven't, signed up into Step Banking, so it's not going to send me a verification. But if I did have like a number, linked with Step Banking, it was going to send a verification code. All right. So that's basically how you guys can log in into it. Just enter the verification code and you're good to go. So hope you guys are able to understand, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.